Hey y'all, welcome back to the vlog. I'm literally like in here about to get ready to go to church. I'm running a little behind, but I thought I would check in and let y'all know what I ended up doing last night, which was nothing. But a series of unfortunate events did end up happening, and I am a little pissed off. Anywho, though, to make a long story short, remember that sauce I had bought? Why did it spill all over my carpet? Like, I had went to shake it up I had no reason to even be shaking up this dang on stuff. I don't even know what I'm just so miscombobulated. I'm not, this is not even a chit chat get ready with me. This is literally part of the vlogs, and it's just a regular thing. I don't even feel like talking about what I'm putting on my face, but this is just my primer. I don't even have a wig on, y'all. So y'all know it's been rough. Because now I'm trying to get these stains out my carpet. And my carpet is gray. I'm so salty. Like, why did I even try to shake up that sauce? And the sauce wasn't even all that for real. Not to me. It was, I thought it was something else. I think I was thinking of the BW3 or Buffalo Wild Wings version of that sauce. Thinking it was going to be comparable or the same thing. But I do normally like those kind of flavors. I don't know. I mean, it was edible. It was just nothing that I think I'll ever buy again. And now it's ruined our carpet. So I need some tips on how to get stains out. I put some Shout on there because I came back this morning and it got even redder. Oh my God. I don't even want to think about it. It's like everywhere. I feel like I'm a kid. So my night did not go so well. So I'm like, maybe I should have just left and not just been in here idle. I was being lazy. I was being lazy and just didn't want to go nowhere. So that was that. I don't even know what foundation I'm about to put on. I think I'm gonna use my Anastasia little, what is this? My foundation stick from Anastasia today. Because it's just right there. It's easy. Foundation sticks are really easy to put on. I'm like kind of looking over here, y'all, because I want to see. Because I don't know, the lighting in my camera for this is not... Yeah, y'all, so I just want to check in and let y'all know that that's how my night ended up going. But other than that, I'm about to just I'll just talk to y'all when I get in the car because I need to hurry up. Whew, Lord Jesus. Your girl is rushing. I don't know, where does time go? I swear I had like an hour and a half. I'm like, okay, cool, I can get my hair did. I can, eat breakfast or whatever, and I'll just have time. And I totally forgot I had to get gas. Don't you hate that? Like when you like completely plan your day around completely plan your day around forgetting to get gas, and then it like throws your whole schedule off. Yeah, and I'm like, well, maybe I can make it. I get in the car, your girl is on EE, like almost below E. I'm like, dang. See, I really probably should have left yesterday because I would have probably went and got my gas. I don't know. Maybe I should have did it. I should have left and not just sat around in the house being lazy like I always do. And oh my God, now my mount is just dropping everywhere. Hopefully y'all can see me. Yeah, so I'm running late to church. Oh my goodness, it started at 11:15. It's like 11:25 now. And I'm still maybe like 15 minutes away. God, I mean, I could see being like 10 minutes late. I don't like being like 20 minutes late to church though. It's borderline disrespectful to the Lord, but I'm trying to make it, y'all. I'm trying to make it. And I was just going around and I have like all this stuff to do while I'm in the area of my church because there's like just stuff over there that's so conveniently located that I could just run after church and, run my errands that I have to do for today. I like a lot of returns and some coupons to use, shopping, what I do best. And yeah, now I'm just like, come on, traffic. And now everybody wants to drive slow because it's Sunday. So yeah, y'all, I'm in the car, but it's a beautiful day here in Ohio. It's like 60 degrees. Yeah, my car says 58, and I know to some places that sounds a little cooler, but in Ohio and what we've been experiencing these past few weeks or month or so, it's been like in the 30s and 20s. So when I seen 50 something, I'm like, yes, giving me life. So I'm so happy about that. So I don't, and then so okay, so for tomorrow's Vlogmas, I think I'm gonna just go ahead and do my keto update video as a Vlogmas, because I don't think I need to be like, tomorrow's just a regular Monday, and I'm not about to be doing nothing that spectacular to be vlogging about in my everyday life besides going to work, and going to work is just not something that I would vlog. I mean, it's like I can't really talk to y'all. So yeah, so that's how I'm gonna end up doing it. And I think that's how I'm just gonna mix it up a little, you know, here and there. Like later today, I'm gonna show y'all the stuff like I've been telling y'all that I got from the Sephora VIB sale. But I'm just gonna make that informal, because like I said, it just isn't worth me doing like a whole sit down video over it. I didn't get that much stuff, so I'll include that. So I'm just gonna mix these up, because I see it's like a lot of different ways to do them. I'm learning, y'all. This is my first time ever doing Vlogmas, so sorry if I'm rambling, but it's just I try to keep, like, I'll be thinking of stuff to tell y'all as I'm like getting dressed and rushing, and then as soon as I get on camera, I forget. So hopefully y'all could see me. Oh yeah, maybe that's better. So yeah, I will definitely be sure to yeah, so later on, that's what y'all gonna end up seeing. I'm gonna go ahead and end this part here, and God, this thing just keep falling. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this. All right, y'all, so I'm about to walk into the nail spot to get my pedicure. Coming in now, finally. Hi.
Hello.
Hi, I just want a pedicure.
No, I cannot do now.
Oh.
Sorry.
Okay, you said no?
Not now, yeah.
Okay. Oh, well, I guess that's not happening.
I got one. Sorry.
He said no. Okay, did y'all see that crap that just happened? Wait, and now the ATM ain't working, y'all. What is going on today? I just want to get a pedicure. So, okay, the one spot I was going to go to saying they take cash only. Now this ATM is just sitting here saying, thanks, I'll be right with you. And I didn't put my card in here, so I'm getting a little nervous because it's been saying this for like the past 30 seconds, and that's weird. Maybe it ain't meant for me to get a pedicure today. I thought it was, but maybe I'm wrong. Because they said they only take cash at the other spot that I normally go to. So I'm like, okay, I'll just go run across the street. And dude, you heard him saying no, he got an appointment or something. So now I'm like, okay, this is crazy. Okay, guys, I made it to the pedicure place. Finally, I found somewhere that actually accepted me. So that's what I'm sitting here doing now, as you can see. Figure out where I want to put my purse at. And she hasn't got started on me yet, so I'm just waiting. My hair is just not doing what I needed to do today, but I will check back in with y'all when I leave. But I want to let you guys know that it did end up working out. And this place I actually like better anyway, so I'm really happy that I decided to leave, or, you know, that God let me here, because it's super cute, and I've never even knew that this was over here, but I just happened to Google. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm not letting y'all see because I didn't shave my legs, so I will talk to you guys later. All right, y'all, welcome back to the vlog. Vlogmas day 2, and now is the official time. I'm gonna show y'all what I got during the Sephora VIB sale. And excuse my hair today. It's like these curls are just not falling the way I want them to fall. I'm over them. But I'm trying to get these videos pumped out. Like I said, I work a full-time job, and I gotta record when I got the time, and I am racing against the freaking daylight. It's now like 3 o'clock. So by the time y'all probably gonna see this, it's gonna be around like 6. But I gotta hurry up because I only have like an hour left, and I got another video to do because I have to get out Vlogmas Day 3. I gotta record Vlogmas Day 3. Anywho, let's go ahead and get started. So yes, I got my pedicure. I'm feeling fresh. Now I want to show y'all what I got. So first thing, I got a bunch of Fenty stuff. I got these lip paints. I got the color Unveil. That's that. Here, I'll show y'all. Because I'm not really trying to have no super long vlogs, because these take too long to record. So this is just this dark brown color here that a lot of people was getting. Next up is the uncensored color. I got this. This is, you know, that red one, the first one that ever had came out. Ugh, okay. All right, I'm not about to keep opening all these up either. But, okay, y'all get the drift. Y'all, I'm sure that y'all done seen these things 100 times by now. I'm just showing y'all what I purchased. Haven't even used this stuff yet. I got this stuff like a while ago now. And I didn't like how the other video it came out, so whatever. Then I got, oh, well, this is the Anastasia foundation stick. I got it in the color Truffle because I had went to like a makeup class and I really liked how the girl had highlighted, or not highlighted, how contoured with this color. And like I even have it on today as the foundation. I really like these Anastasia foundation sticks, and the price point isn't too bad. I want to say it's only like $25 or maybe even $24, somewhere in there. But these are really bomb if you are looking for like a nice foundation or even like something to contour with where you're not breaking the bank. So yeah. Got that. Got another lip paint in the color Uncuffed. And I don't even know why I got all this because, to be honest, I'm a gloss girl. Y'all rarely ever even see me really wearing anything on my lips in these videos. And that's just because I feel like lipstick just makes your lips feel dry. So yeah, I'm a gloss person. Then, I don't know, my lips just don't retain a lot of moisture. I've been really trying to work on different treatments and stuff. But yeah, I have this too, so we will see if I even end up ever using this crap or this stuff. I mean, I'm excited to use them, but I just feel like I never gravitate towards that. Like, I never have anything making me be like, oh, I want to use this. Next up for this, and this is all the in-store stuff that I'm showing y'all now. So the last thing I got in store was the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette, which I thought these colors were just super duper gorgeous. I love these. Y'all can probably see my freaking Old Navy coupon that popped up. But yeah, so that's all I got from the store. And I don't even, is the receipt in here? I think I spent all together with the discount. Well, I had two different transactions. So the Stone Lip Paints, those retail for $24. They came up to $19.20 a piece. Oh, and that Anastasia foundation stick is actually only $25. And then I got $5 off of that. And then for this palette, this retail for $27. And I got it for $21.60 because I had two separate transactions. So altogether, I spent about maybe like $120 for all that stuff. Which is still expensive to me for some freaking lip stuff, but I was like, well, let me go ahead and try to get them all because I've been hearing good reviews on them. We'll see how they do. So then online, I went ahead and placed the online order, and that's why I didn't end up putting it up because when I looked online, like I was telling y'all, it's not even that much stuff. So I got this Moschino perfume. I haven't even opened this yet. Oh, I guess I'll do it on camera. Got so much. And when you have nails on, certain stuff be so hard to do. So hard. Okay, I didn't mess. This is just no. So, okay, so I'm gonna be editing some of this out because, like I said, I don't want no super long vlog. Okay, I finally got it open. Oh, this is so cute. Look, y'all, I got that little fresh Moschino perfume. Have y'all seen this yet? I think it's just so cute. Sorry, my lighting is kind of sucky, but like I said, oh well. This is like, it's no window on this side of my house, and I really just was trying to hurry up and get this done. So, this is cute. It's a lot smaller than I expected because it's like $40 for this. Let me smell it. I forgot. I smelled it once, but I forgot what it smells like. I'm going to spray it just on this. Oh, and you take the, look, y'all, the cap come off. I just fell in love with just how this looks. So I'm so happy I was able to get my hands on this. Because a lot of times, like during the sale, this sells out really quick. Very, very light smelling. It's just pretty. It's like something that you can wear on it every day. So I'm trying to get my perfume collection built up. So this is super cute. So I'm glad I got that. I think this was like $40, and then I had that, you know, then we had this, or they had the sale. So, oh, here's the thing. Oh, does it even have prices on here? Okay, well, I think it was like $40, y'all. And then I got this, which I thought was a super duper good deal. If you guys are like, if you guys swear by the beauty blender like I do, this set was like $65 with 20% off. And y'all know that one beauty blender by itself normally is like, no, it is $20. This came with 4 beauty blenders and all these little, whatever, the cleaner things to go with it, even though I'm not even that great about cleaning them. But I'm just like, for $65 with 20% off, so that means altogether I paid like $48, which that would technically be the price of one, but I got 4 of them. You can't beat that. 4, so basically I got 4, so it's almost like I got 2 free and cleaner. So I had to get this. I couldn't pass up on that, and it's just too hard to open, and I'm not trying to be doing all that. And then the last thing that I got is the more Fenty stuff. I got the Fenty Gloss Bomb. This is the one that came out with the first launch that she did, the Fenty Glow. So this has already been 7 minutes, y'all. I thought I was gonna be getting through this quick. So that's what I got with that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just end the vlog here. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for coming on my day with me, and I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas.